Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to rasterize smart object in Photopea. So get started. At first, open your Photopea document. Now you can see. Now click from new project option. Now select from any page. Now click from create option. Now you can see. Then I show the Photopea home menu option. Now going to the file menu option, then click. Now click from open and place option. Now find your picture. Now select from picture, then click from open option. Then it show open the picture, then now click from confirm option. Now you can see. Now going to the layer menu option, then click. Now click from mouse right button. Now click from rasterize option. Now you can see. Then I show rasterize. Now control keyboard press control T. Now resize your picture and add the color. Now choose from color, click from OK. That it's. Now you can see rasterize smart object in Photopea software is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.